Now we are going to learn some facts about the straight lines. Suppose you want to plot a graph for say x equals 2. X equals 2 will be plotted with the value of x equals 2 for all the values of y, for several values of y. Suppose the first value is say 2, 3. The second value is 2 minus 1. The third value is 2, 0. 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. X is 2, y is 3. So this is the position 2, 3. 2 minus 1. X is 2, y is minus 1. This is the point 2 minus 1. 2, 0. X is 2, y is 0. This is the point. So if I draw this line, this is the line corresponding to x equals 2. So x equals 2 or x equals any constant is a line parallel to y-axis. This is parallel to y-axis. X equals constant is a line parallel to y-axis. Now what can you say about the x-axis? X equals, if I look at any point on this line x-axis, you all know this is x-axis and this equation is y-axis. If I go anywhere on x-axis, the value of y is 0. This is 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 0, minus 3, 0. So if I go anywhere on this axis, the value of y is 0. So the equation for x-axis is given by y equals 0. Similarly, if I have a constant, say y equals a constant, say 3, if I have y equals 3, so for different values of x, say 2, 3 or minus 2, 3 or say 0, 3, 2, 3, x is 2, y is 3. So this is a point. This is the point 2, 3. Again, let me pick another color for explaining that. This is your point 2, 3. Now minus 2, 3, x is minus 2, y is again 3. This is your point. 0, 3, x is 0, y is 3. This is your point. So if I join them, I get a line which is parallel to x-axis. So y equal any constant. If y is a constant, is a line which is parallel to x-axis. It is parallel to x-axis, and the equation for y-axis, if I go anywhere on this y-axis, the value of x is 0. So the equation of y-axis is given as x equals 0. This is all about the line parallel to the axis and the axis. Now, what is the meaning of the intercept? For example, if you have a line of the form y equals mx plus b, this form of the line is known as the slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Here m is the slope of the line, m represents the slope of the line, and b is the intercept. Now what is the meaning of the intercept and slope? Intercept. These are your axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. B is a point. It is a point on y-axis. B is a point on y-axis where the curve cuts y-axis. For example, if I look at this point, this is a point. This is an intercept. This is an intercept. For any line, for example, if I draw a line like this, then this is the intercept. This point is called the intercept. If I have any curve, so quadratic equation, if I have a curve like this, this becomes the intercept. So this is a point. Intercept, if I talk about a straight line, intercept is a point on the y-axis where the line cuts it. And the slope. Slope is the angle made with the x-axis. So you can say that slope, m is the slope, which is the angle made with x-axis. It is the angle made with x-axis, and B is the intercept. It is the point on y-axis. It is a point on y-axis where the curve intersects. Where the curve intersects. For example, if you want to write the equation of a line with the value of b, say 3. If you have the value of b, say 3, so you can select any slope of your own choice. You already know that the equation of the line is given in the form of mx plus b. The value of b is given as 3. So your equation becomes y equals m can have any value. So suppose you want to select 2. So 2x plus b. Only important thing in this case is the value of b should be 3 because it is already specified that b is 3. So you can select any value for m. Similarly, if you want to write an equation with the intercept say minus 3, if you have been given b as minus 3, you have the authority to select any value for m. So the equation of the straight line is given by y equals say minus x, not plus, it is minus 3. So according to the given conditions, you can define your own lines. Suppose you have been given the value of m as say 2. If the value of m is 2, the equation of the straight line is given as y equals mx plus b. So b is free here. You can select any value for b because the m is defined as 2. To write the equation of a line with 2 as the slope, you can select any value for b. It can be 0, it can be 100, it can be 1000, anything, say 3. This is the equation of a line with the slope 2. If you want to write m is minus 3, so again you have the right to select b. So equation of a line with m minus 3 can be written as say 3x minus 3 mx plus b. Mx plus b is the slope intercept form, and the graphs of the form mx plus b is already been discussed in the earlier video.